Some of you have probably heard about the type of oil that you use matters based off of low smoke point, high smoke point. But I think this article on verywellfit.com does a good job of explaining why from a health standpoint. So I'm going to read a piece of it. The smoke that is created once an oil reaches its smoke point is an indication that the fat in the oil is breaking down. As oil is heated, more free fatty acids are produced, which lowers the smoke point. Each time oil is heated, free fatty acids and harmful free radicals are formed through a process called oxidation, a series of chemical reactions involving oxygen that degrade the quality of the oil and lead to rancidity. That's why it is best not to reuse frying oil more than twice. Listen up, all of you people who do that, because I know at least one. And I know you like to do it because it helps with the flavor and all of that, but it's not really the best for your health beyond the second time. Reheating oil also breaks down beneficial polyphenol antioxidants, one of the major health benefits of plant-based oils. Repeatedly heating fats, especially polyunsaturated fats, at high temperatures beyond their smoke point can cause the formation of carcinogenic compounds in the oil and foods cooked in the oil. So, and when I say polyunsaturated, any oil that's more liquid in nature is more of a polyunsaturated oil. Any oils that will solidify, like when you put them in the refrigerator, that's more of a saturated fat-based oil. It's like coconut oil, right? So beyond carcinogenic potential of not using the right oils for high heat, oxidative damage is like not good for anybody. Also, particularly for kidneys, if you are experiencing kidney function decline, putting yourself in a more pro-oxidative state is only going to potentially worsen the kidney damage. If you put yourself in a space where you're consuming more things that are antioxidant in nature, that is protective of the kidney. Antioxidants are protective of the cells in general. Oxidative damage, free radicals are more harmful to cells in general. So you want to stay more in that antioxidant space to have better health.